Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel RLC. Welcome to the today's session. The circuit is given. So, how to find the value of current? How to find the value of voltage? Is there any simple and easy method to find it? Yes, definitely. How? By applying KCL to find the value of current and by applying KVL to find the value of voltage. Okay, what is KCL? KCL is Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, consider a circuit. Okay, it's not a circuit, it's actually a number of elements which are connected to a common point that is called as node or junction. So there is a current flowing in all the elements. How it is applied in KCL? What it states that all the current meeting at a point, which are the currents I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 are the currents meeting at a point. It is called as a node or a junction. Okay, is 0. Is 0. Okay, so therefore we can also state that sum of all the currents, sum means what? Addition. So sum of all the currents meeting at a point or a junction or node is 0. This is also a statement of KCL. Okay. Kirchhoff's current law. So sum of all the currents meeting at a point is 0, correct? So here, so we can see some of the currents are going away from the node and some of the currents are coming towards the node. So those are called as incoming current and outgoing current. So incoming currents can be represented as positive sign and the outgoing currents or the current which is away from the node can be considered as negative. Okay, it can be done with vice versa depending upon your choice. Okay, so in the figure you can see I1 is coming away from the node, that is outgoing current. We can represent it as minus I1. Then what about I2? It is coming towards the node, it is represented as plus I2. Then I3, which side? Minus, because outgoing. Again plus I4, then minus I5 plus I6 is equal to what? Is equal to 0 as per the KCL statement. Sum of all the currents is equal to 0 at node. Therefore, we can rearrange it as I2 plus I4 plus I6 is equal to I1 plus I3 plus I5. So what we can conclude from this expression? It can also be stated that sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. I2, I4, I6 are incoming currents is equal to I3, I5, that is I1 outgoing currents. Therefore, it can be concluded as sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Okay, let us consider an example. This is the circuit, right? So I1 they have given us 5 amps, I2 is 3 amps. So what we need to do, we need to find the value of I3. So for applying KCL, we require a node, correct? So from KCL, what are the incoming current? That is only I1 is coming towards the node, right? Then what are the outgoing currents? That is I2 and I3 which is away from the node. So outgoing currents are represented as negative, right? So it can be written as positive I1 minus I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. So if we rearrange, I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. Substitute the values, that is 5 is equal to 3 plus I3. We will get I3 value as 2 amps. That is 5 minus 3 is 2 amps. Okay, KVL. KVL means Kirchhoff's voltage law. Consider a circuit. Okay, it consists of an EMF source and resistors which are connected in a series R1, R2, R3, and the corresponding voltage drops are V1, V2, V3. Correct? And we are assuming that the current is flowing in a clockwise direction. Okay. So what is that plus and minus? Plus indicates it is higher potential and minus indicates lesser potential. So always the voltage drop occurs from higher potential to lower potential. Okay. So what Kirchhoff's current law states that, Kirchhoff's voltage law states that sum of all the voltage drops across the resistor, sum of all the voltage drop across the resistors, what are that? V1, V2, V3 resistor plus sum of EMF sources in the circuit is equal to what? 0. So we can state that sum of voltage drop across the resistors and the sum of EMF sources is equal to 0. So how to write in an expression? So let us start with R1, that is tracing. It is from minus V1, then minus V2, minus V3. Why it is minus? Because we are tracing in clockwise direction. Okay, so minus you will get, then we have plus E is equal to 0. This is what expression for KVL. So what is the voltage drop across the resistor from the Ohm's law? I into R1. Correct? KVL also states that sum of voltage drop across the resistor is equal to sum of the EMF sources. Okay, let's solve with the problems, then you will understand clearly. Okay, let's solve the problem on KVL. This is what the circuit is. Its given data is 10 volts, 2 ohm R1, 2 ohm R2. What we need to find here is voltage across A and B and the voltage across A and C. As per the Ohm's law, what we can write it as voltage across A and B can be written as I into R1. Similarly, it can be written as for BC. Voltage across BC can be written as I into R2. So, write the circuit as it is and mention the loop. That is, the loop is in the clockwise direction. And write the sign plus and minus indication, that is higher potential and lower potential. Okay, so we are tracing the circuit in a clockwise direction. Okay, that is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now apply the KVL. From KVL, loop A, B, C, D, A minus I1 R1 minus I2 R2 plus 10 is equal to 0. That is, current is moving in clockwise direction, that is higher potential to lower potential, so it is taken as negative. Okay, same thing if you come across battery, that is it is tracing from lower to higher, so it is mentioned as plus 10 volts. So next step, substitute the values of R1 and R2, then you will get the value I is equal to 2.5. Substitute in VAB, you will get it as 2.5 into 2 is equal to 5 volts. Then voltage across B, substitute the value of I, 2.5 into 2, that is equal to 5 volts. So the voltage is 5 volts across 2 ohm resistor. Is it clear? Very easy, right? Okay. Okay, let us summarize today's session. What we studied is KCL, KVL and problems. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe our channel RLC and click on bell button for the notification. Hi friends, for more updates follow us on Facebook, Insta and YouTube. Okay, you can also download the notes in our website www.rlc-eee.com. Thank you.